Welcome to another TechHard Pro video. This video it will be pretty quick, pretty simple, not much going on. That's because a couple of things happened. First of all, my Galaxy Z44 has the cables that connects between the flex cable that connects both sides of the phone that started being damaged, so I had to get the new parts to replace it, and I got it, and I managed to recover most of the files and pass them through this phone now, which is the S21 Ultra in silver, which is a really nice looking color. I will say like it's better than the Phantom Black that is the main one that they always like advertise. This color is just so nice looking, shiny, and I really like the shiny things on it. But here's a couple of things that I noticed about this phone. Like, first of all, it's a refurbished one from eBay on good status, which is basically just a couple of scratches, which does not affect usage. But what really affected usage for me is that the phone, well, the back is not completely glued together, just like with the S20 Ultra that I had last time, which I did not make an unboxing video or anything about it. But also, the USB-C port does not work properly. It cannot transfer data, it barely charges, sometimes it uses 25 watts, sometimes it doesn't. And apart from that, yeah, I cannot connect anything else. Like, the headphones don't work well, like they actually don't work. I got some earphones that came with the Note 20 Ultra, and the battery life is not as good. Probably battery is like 60% of its capacity probably. But the S20 Ultra, S21 Ultra, it was pretty cheap though, so I kind of get what I paid for. It's pretty good state. Like, I guess it's better than the S20 Ultra that I had, because that one had the like a small dot on the screen. This one instead it has a slight burn in, just tiny bit of burning on the bottom part where the navigation buttons are. As you can notice, it came with the charging brick and a cable and the SIM removal too, which the charger is like 10 watts, so don't expect the 25 watts super fast charging that you usually see. Nah. But at least it came with a brick, because since the S21, Samsung removed the charging bricks from the box of the phone, so at least it's a bit better value. And well, that will be about it for today. It's just a quick unboxing just to show off the phone. I'll try to fix this C44 and I'll send it some technician that dares to remove the internal display of it. Well, see ya.